Hi guys, James here at Boulder Ghost Moderates. Now, sadly, or good news, it's the ICM 135th Chevy G7107 truck, 4x4 trucks, final part. We've weathered it. We used a Flory dark dirt wash and we used the oils. Some of the shiny bits need to dry. But before we go putting the spinny thing on it, put it on the turntable, I'll just give you my observations of a bit of a post build review. The kit is worth a 9 out of 10. It gets marked down purely because of the infuriating instructions, and again, a lot of parts have got visible ejector pins on them, so obviously all the ones in the cab you have to fill. And yeah, but obviously this bit is a work of art. There's no ejector pins in it at all. But again, missing instructions for doing the bench seats folded, which they are. Again, the kit has the parts. Obviously, they say drill a hole in this hoop. Again, this part was in it. And obviously the spare wheel hole location point is too short. And obviously I had a slight mishap with the decals. It may well be my own fault, but obviously I had silvering on these two. Obviously one on the back went down fine, so it can't be anything to do with where I sprayed it. Yeah, it is a nice kit. So Peter will be relieved. That's Mr. Oxley. It builds up well. Again, I'll take it off the tissue here, so it might disappear a little bit in the green. But then there's no rock in it. A little bit of flexibility in the chassis. But it'll go quite well with my Katie ambulance that I've built. So that's it on my brief review. Obviously, I'm not going to say I've done a review of this kit as built as the military patrol, because I've not built the figures. So I'll reserve judgment on that. I shall have some entertainment building those. But yeah, it went together really, really well. Again, it's been a very much it's taken me a long time. But again, got some difficulties there with I've had a suspected stroke, so it does tend to affect you somewhat. But I built it. Again, no issues as to speak. Admittedly, I did put a part on the wrong way around very early on, not that you'd notice, and it's the top part of where the transmission sits on the chassis. But yeah, and I lost a part here on this particular wheel. But again, it didn't detract from the model. It's lovely. Again, as I've been pointed out, you can build them as civilian versions. And I looked on it as they've done loads of versions of it. You can do captured German. You can do it in German. You can do it in any colour if you can get hold of the kit. So next time you see this, you'll be going round and round. So bye for now. Update on Judo. Judo. He seems to have grown a bit. He's a big lad, aren't you? Yeah, he's a good boy. He's a good boy, isn't he? He's a big softie, really. He's a very naughty boy. Tends to eat things, don't you? And you absolutely just destroyed the shopping bag yesterday, didn't you, eh? So that's enough of the update on him. And there we have the spinny thing in natural light. Drop it down a bit. Yeah, and there we go. And there we have the oh, bloody planes, shut up. There we have the Chevy G7107 truck, all finished. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.